Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most delicious Middle Eastern cuisine, that is okra with lamb curry. It can be served with rice, pita bread or cubes. Give it a try and I'm sure you'll definitely like it. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make okra lamb gravy. First let's sear the meat. For that, into a pan add 1 tablespoon of oil. To make this dish, I have got 500 grams of mutton. Keep the flame on high and sear it for 2 to 3 minutes. While it's searing, let's add some turmeric powder and salt. Give a mix, let it sear for 2 minutes. Once you have nice color on all sides, let's add water to it. Cover and cook for 40 to 45 minutes on a low flame. Meat is cooked well, now keep it aside. Now for the gravy, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 inch of cinnamon stick and 2 bay leaves. Saute it for 15 to 20 seconds. I'm adding 1 big onion chopped. Fry this for a minute or two. I'm adding 12 garlic cloves cut into halves. You can also use paste. This is 3 green chilies. It's not very pungent. It's on the milder side. Keep frying it for a minute. This is 400 grams of baby okra, that is lady's finger. Again saute it for 2 more minutes. Baby okra is half done. Now let's add the spices. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Let the spices cook on a low flame for about a minute. Add half cup of tomato puree. You can also use 3 fresh tomatoes chopped. Again combine everything well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add the boiled meat with the broth. Combine everything really well and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Everything has come together. If you feel that your gravy should be a little more saucy, at this point add half cup of hot water and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Give all this a nice mix. This is done. Finally add 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Okra lamb gravy is done. Serve hot with some nice hot rice or with some bread. Do try this delicious recipe and share it with your family and friends. And also share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.